Are you looking for the top 5 essential woodworking tools you need? Finding the right woodworking tools can feel overwhelming, especially when you just want to create without frustration. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Javari Digital Caliper. The Javari Digital Caliper is a standout measuring tool, priced at just $19.98. What caught my attention was its sturdy stainless steel construction and ease of use. If you want precise measurements for your woodworking projects, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This caliper boasts a measuring range of 0 to 6 inches, or 0 to 150 millimeters, with an accuracy of plus or minus 0.001 inches. That means you can trust that your dimensions are spot on, which is critical when fitting pieces together. It features 4 measurement modes, allowing you to measure inside and outside diameters, depths, and even steps, making it incredibly versatile for woodworking and other DIY tasks. Plus, with over 7,000 units sold just last month, clearly people are investing in precision. Now, some people complained about its display being hard to read in bright light. Here's the thing though, I found that the large LCD screen helps a lot in most conditions, and honestly, it's a small drawback for the level of accuracy it provides. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist or professional woodworker who value precise measurements. Skip this one if you're looking for a basic ruler instead of a dedicated measuring tool. For under $20, it offers great value for your money. Now, if the caliper's display issue concerns you, the next product takes a completely different approach to Product number 2, Tovpade Micro Sander Kit. The Tovpade Premium Micro Sander Set is a game changer for detail sanding, priced affordably at just $6.99. The first thing that caught my eye was its compact design and variety of 54 sandpapers. If you're looking to refine every inch of your project, this is definitely worth a look. Why is this important? This kit includes a compact sanding block in a range of grits from 80 to 800, perfect for every detail, from rough sanding to micro finishing. The hook and loop backing allows for quick sandpaper changes, letting you work efficiently, which is a must when you're on a roll. With over 6,000 units sold recently, it's clear that many people are excited about this tool's convenience and versatility. However, some users mentioned that the sandpaper might wear out faster than expected. I'll be real with you. While it's true that finer grits can wear down quicker, the affordability of a kit makes it easy to replace without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you're working on intricate projects and need control in tight spaces. Skip this one if you mostly need sanding for larger surfaces. Overall, for Product number 3, Klein Tools Digital Level. The Klein Tools 935 DAG Digital Level stands out at $32.97 for its robust features and user-friendly interface. What caught my attention was its versatility as both a level and angle gauge. If you want precise measurements for your woodworking angles, this is worth considering. This tool measures angles from 0 to 180 degrees with high visibility thanks to its reverse contrast display that automatically rotates. This means you can easily read it for any angle, which is crucial when working on complex cuts. The strong magnetic base allows it to attach to metal surfaces, freeing up your hands for better control. With 6,000 units sold recently, it's clear that this tool is a favorite among DIY enthusiasts. Now, some users have pointed out that the calibration might drift over time. Here's the thing though, as long as you check it regularly and recalibrate when needed, it remains an incredibly reliable tool. This is perfect for you if you're a serious woodworker needing accurate angles. Skip this one if you're just starting out and don't need advanced features. At under $35, it offers solid quality for its price. If the level's accuracy concern worries you, the next product number 4, Rui Tool Japanese Handsaw. The Rui Tool Japanese Handsaw is a fantastic option priced at just $10.63. What stands out about this saw is its double-edged design and quality construction. If you're looking for a reliable handsaw for precision cuts, this should definitely be on your radar. This saw features a 6-inch flexible SK5 blade, perfect for flush and finish cuts. What's impressive is that one side has 17 TPI for hardwood, while the other has 14 TPI for softwood. This versatility allows you to tackle different materials without needing multiple saws. With 5,000 units sold recently, it's clear that users appreciate its efficiency. However, some reviews mention that it can be a bit tricky for beginners to handle. I get that. If you're not used to pull saws, it might take a little practice to master, but once you do, the precision and smooth cuts are well worth it. This is perfect for you if you're an intermediate woodworker wanting to enhance your cutting skills. Skip this one if you're looking for a power saw instead. At just over $10, it's an excellent addition to your toolkit. Now, if you're looking for something... Product number 5. DeWalt 20V Max XR Jigsaw. The DeWalt 20V Max XR Jigsaw is a top-tier tool priced at $138. What caught my attention was its powerful brushless motor and versatility. If you need a jigsaw that delivers performance without compromising on control, this one is worth checking out. This cordless jigsaw boasts a blade speed of up to 3,200 SPM, allowing you to tackle tough projects efficiently. The variable speed trigger gives you precise control, while the integrated dust blower keeps your line of sight clear. With over 4,000 units sold recently, it's clearly a popular choice among serious woodworkers. But I should mention that it's a bare tool, meaning you need to buy a battery and charger separately. Some people find this frustrating. Here's the thing. If you already use DeWalt tools, it's likely you already own compatible batteries, making this a smart investment. This is perfect for you if you're a professional or serious hobbyist who needs a reliable jigsaw. Skip this if you're just doing occasional DIY projects. Given its performance, it's well worth the... So, we've gone through some fantastic tools. The Javari digital caliper for precision, Tob Fade micro sander for detail work, Klein Tools digital level for angles, Rui Tool Japanese handsaw for finesse, and the DeWalt 20V Max XR jigsaw for power. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the DeWalt jigsaw because it combines performance and control, making it ideal for serious woodworking. On the flip side, I'd avoid the Tob Fade micro sander if you need something for